Now we're going to try and make volcanoes. Do you guys like volcanoes?
Yes.
Alright, so what we need to do is make 3 tablespoons of bi-carb soda. I'll do mine. Daddy's making a bit of a mess too. 3. Okay, Emerson's one. Ready, buddy? Can you count? Can you count for me?
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many is that? 1. Ah! Okay. Put a bit of glitter in.
Yeah,
Really? Just a little bit, baby.
Okay.
Can you pour just...
Here?
No, in this one.
Okay.
More. Keep going. So pour it in the cup. Put your hand in the cup. Yep. We'll put a bit of extra in.
Daddy.
Pour it. Yep. Okay, good. Pour it in there. Good boy.
It's yellow.
Yeah, wow, isn't it pretty?
Mine?
Okay, I'll put my green glitter in.
Is that yellow?
Okay, that should be enough. Can you drip some of that into your cup? Yes, okay, good. That's heaps. Okay, now can you hold this?
Yes.
And drip it into your cup. Yep, in there. Good boy. About 1/3 of a cup, roughly, of vinegar into each of these glasses. When we're ready, we'll both pour them in at the same time. Okay, now pick up your glass.
Here.
Yep.
Got mine.
Now, I think when we pour this in, we're going to have volcanoes in our glasses, and it's all going to pour out here.
Yeah.
So hopefully, hang on, I'm going to get some towels just to make.
Volcanoes are not dangerous. Yes, they are. No, they're not. When you touch it, they burn.
I went and got towels because I have no idea how messy this is going to be.
No, it's
Should we find out?
Yeah.
Okay guys, when Daddy says so, listen, when Daddy says so, I want you to pour your vinegar into your cup and we'll see what happens. Okay, ready, set, go, see what happens. Pour it in. And it's Kaylee's volcano! Oh my god!
Do it again,
Good boy, pour some more in. That was funny. Oh, here it comes again. A volcano with blue glitter and a volcano with yellow glitter.
Daddy, I want to do it again.
Pour some more in. Whoa! That's crazy. Pour some more in. Whoa! Here comes this. That's funny.
Daddy, you can put dinosaurs when we make this.
That's excellent. That's very good.